have just departed our hotel in Montepulciano. Montepulciano. And now we're driving to, where are we driving to?
Rostovaca, which is a little known town with a really big hill, which is about 30 minutes from the springs of Saturnia. And then from there we're going to track our way along the coast to FCO, which...
So Mark, are you getting your swimsuit body ready by eating a big bowl of pasta?
Yes, that was exactly my intention.
A bowl of pasta that we will be getting our beach bods ready for.
That was cool. Spotted Jess's steed. Not quite as big as the one I had yesterday. Still. Hello.
Are we?
Saturnia.
Saturnia, the thermal hot springs. And there are so many people here, and it's still pretty hot, and it's like, what, 4 o'clock? No, 3 o'clock. 3:10. But I'm looking forward to it.
We fell apart, I'm ready to believe you have a heart. And then you said, hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. Dance in the summer rain. I know we can fight it and keep it. We'll get back home again. I said, hey, you formed me like a fiction, but I'm ready to see we're both a part of it. Could be the start of it, 'cause I know you're the missing piece of puzzle. You're the queen of my car. Ha 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 ha. Still you're in my heart. Ha 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 ha. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can fight it and keep it. We'll get back home again.
Finished off at the baths. It's a good thing that this is on camera and cameras don't have smell detectors, because we smell like rotten eggs, and we might look like rotten eggs too. Hopefully not terrible. But we're now going to drive our way back to Rome airport. And
not back to
Rome, yeah, true, not back to drop the car off. Hopefully we don't stink the car out. It's a legitimate concern.
Seinfeld episode.
And we've just escaped another thunderstorm. There's a big one coming, so I don't know if you can see through the windscreen there. We had lots of fun. I almost got swept away down the stream, so Mark saved me.
Somehow I managed to claw you back.
Oh, like this was like almost a life and death situation. I was about to go flying down this river. So we dropped the car off. It's now 7:51. It took
Apologies for the smell, everybody.
Oh yeah.
We can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can fight it and keep it. We'll get back home again.